Good morning everyone. So it's been a while nung gumawa tayo ng vid. So ito parang RA update lang. It's been almost 5 years. Yeah, the speedometer finally working. So we've been watching my previous vids. Yan yung mileage from last time. So alam niyo na yun. So we've been experimenting with some parts and so far so good, okay naman. So ito yung shock, yun yung preno, and yan, if you can see, meron tayong rigid na tinitesting now. So tsaka na yung update yan. So this one is a 4-piston na RCB. So nakita nyo naman, it's the stock bracket that we used. This one is not stock, this is 280 mm. So are the rotors kasi matagal na siyang nasira. Found those off Shopee, mura lang. Tapos if mapapansin nyo, the tires are dual sport and hindi na siya 110, 90-90-12 na siya. So sinubukan ko na rin for everyone para wala na kayong haka-haka pa kung kasya o hindi. As for the rears, ngayon, so stock pa rin yung preno. Ipads lang hindi. Pero the tires are 190/12. So kasya rin yun. Just in case abutin kayo somewhere. Ayun. Bira kasi nagbebenta ng 12. So kasya yun. Basta 12 kakasya yun. Tapos yan. This is the seat. A GT seat. Ano. Origan, hindi yan pagawa. And this is a GT seat from the GT125 ata or 150 model. So may orig na ganyan. Orderin nyo nga lang sa UK. Kasi RAPH, tinanong ko sila, they don't sell parts na wala silang lineup dito. Huwag yun ang problemahin yung bracket kasi this is the 180 bracket na pinakostom ko lang kina Kuya Russell sa RLBD. This would be the same guys na gumawa nito. If you've been watching the vlog, this has been the bracket from almost 4 years ago. Well, may slight mod na yan, pero yun. And this is a 55-liter top box. Just in case yung mga ayaw ng manood ng back issues or back episodes. So yan yung laman yan. So it fits to half-face helmets, tapos a bunch of other stuff. Yan, may tools sa ilalim yan. Kapote kasi ulan na ulan. And ano pa ba? Updates. Oh yeah, there you go. The taillight, this one, napundi. Usual problem ng RA yan eh. Yung minsan ito lang, ito napupundi. So ito na lang yung nakailaw. So letter L na siya. Love. Or kung ito yung napundi, the letter J siya. Jolly. Nare-repair yan. Dahil nyo lang dun sa shop. Hindi ko lang ako nabanggit ko na dun sa mga previous na episode. May shop dito sa Maseda. Medyo alam na nila yan. Ayan. So, on ko lang yun para makita nyo that it's working. Well, hindi pantay kasi ito yung first iteration eh. So, the next ones, kung magpapagawa kayo, mas mura siya by a lot. And umiilaw naman. Yun. And ito pala na yung umiilaw nyo na third brake light. Wait, let me see. Kita. Kita ba? Ayan. Yan, kita. Okay. Okay na tayo dun. Patayin na natin ulit. Tapos, updates. Yan. Finally, nakapag-install na nitong master. This is a 15mm master. Just for the front. Yung rear, I never changed it. Kasi malalak mo pa rin yung rear kahit sa stock. Huwag lang masira yung cylinder, yung pang repair kit. Kasi you can't buy those. And if you buy this, parang 2,000 ata to sa kasa. So yun, bahala na kayo kung anong trip nyo. Kasi this one is not 2,000. And I think you can get a pair of these, yung ganito itsura na transparent yung tack. Like my old one, just check my previous episodes. Parang 3,000 ata yun o 2 plus pair. What else? Oh yeah, the switches. Ito. Kasi di ba yung orig? Ito, dito siya nakasaksak. Kaya problema, pag mabigat or nagagalaw mo to, nababali ito. So gumagalaw-galaw yan ngayon. Eh, yun, medyo expensive din. So, ito na lang. This is pang NMAX to. Maliwanag kasi. Pero, yan. Nagkakailaw siya. Tapos, this turns off yung headlight. Yan. See? So, may switch ka na. And, yun, kung gusto nyo naman magkabit ng mas mataas sa side mirror, pero gusto nyo pa rin i-retain to, just buy this, yung adapter. The adapter, tapos kahit stock pa rin yung ganito nyo, you can practically mount any mirror you want. Ito na lang yung kailangan nyo. So yun, ganyan pa kataas yung mga mod style, yung ganyan kataas. So whatever you like. Tapos, what else? I think we finally found yung cause ng leak. Where the oil is coming from. Pero tsaka napapagawa yun. The engine still running. Realistically, the mileage should be twice as yan nun. Kasi medyo minsan walang stock ng speed sensor. Yan, yung speed sensor na kinabit ko dito yun, hindi na yan galing ng kasa. In-order ko na lang yan. I think it's from a KTM. Pasok naman, mas maiksi lang ng konti. Tsaka yun, since I do the installs myself dun sa mga ibang stuff na kaya ko, it fits. Tapos, yan, the exhaust, yung the loop exhaust. Some guy from the south, nagpagawa na rin siya yan. It's about the same amount naman din. Kasi pinagpapagawa dito sa malapit. And what else did we change? Almost 5 years. The O2 sensor, yan, I changed that. That's not a stock part anymore. May kink lang yan that pag nababasa siya, it gives off a check engine light. Pero wala nagbabago dun sa takbo. And also, I changed the coil, which is hindi rin galing sa kasa. Pero I have a spare na galing sa kasa. Yun. And I'm just testing the parts out. Those are really cheap if you buy it on ano. And it works kasi I've had those for like months already. Tapos ito, nakita ko sa kumpare ko. Yan. Wait, let's turn that off again. Yeah. Yan. Some models have this side markers talaga. Nakita ko doon sa kumpare ko. Shout out kay Mr. Lexter C. Yan. Nainggit ako. So, yan. Pakabit ako. Merong red niyan, tsaka merong orange niyan. Yung install niyan, well, alam nyo na rin kung saan papa-install. For those who know, you know. And, you know, the rack is still here. This is still the same rack from a few years ago. Ito from Edward. And the fly screen. I don't know where this came from. Nung galing lang sa beach. Yun. Oh, and to add something pala. Wait, let me just get my vape. Yan. So, ano ba? Oh, the rear shock. Kasi kung napansin nyo, naka-side stand yan. Naka-center stand yan. Don't mind the bolts kung napansin nyo. Kaya ko talaga ginawa yan para if I do roadside repairs, it's a lot easier. Ayan. Kaya siya super taas ngayon. Kasi ano yan, pang-click yung gamit ko na rear shock. Kasi I was talking to Mr. X. We were talking about yung kawirdohan ng suspension nito. Well, he was the one who figured it out. Ako kasi I was just, you know, adapting, living with it. Pero so far so good, okay naman. So sabi niya, we talked about yung length and yung play. So ako naman si ano, bumili ako ngayon ng mahabang rear shock. So this is a Honda Click rear shock. Huwag na kayong bumili yan kasi if you buy this one, ito yung parang heavy duty nila eh. See, the springs are thicker. So, meron siyang parang cover sa gitna. And if you notice, this is a 180. So yung clearance is so tight. Pero buti na lang naka 100 ako na tires. So kung magwa 120 ako ulit sa side yan. So the play is a lot better. Pero yun nga, medyo super taas yan yun. Pero mas nag-enjoy ako dun sa play. Ang kailangan ko lang figure out now is I have to put a camera and check if this is moving as the one I saw dun sa may Escumadi na ano. Pero mas okay na yung steering input niya ngayon. Kumbaga mas predictable yung gagalaw ng motor. The tires are yun. Seiyun lang yan, Seiyun. So parang soft compound siya. I think this. So ayun, naputol tungkol dun sa tires. Okay, sige, balik tayo dun sa tires. So ayan, Seiyun lang yan. Tapos meron din akong Seiyun na binili panlikod. Kaso nabalik ko ata yung spring kasi I reused one of my old rear shocks. Tapos nabalik ko yung spring, tapos sumayad sa sidewall, tapos napunit, tapos yun I had to change it. Yun yung naka-beast na tire yun na mukhang mukhang Jabdoroso yung Those are also cheap kasi 12. Well, if you're not running faster than usual, which is these things don't actually run really fast, I think these are good for yung pang-ikot-ikot lang. Pero entirely up to you, of course. Mapilitan, di ba? Tapos, in other moto news, well, ito na-feature ko na to dati. A long time ago. Dun sa, ko pa ata to ni-review. This is the Matt Razorback 125. Matt Philippines is closing its doors this September. So hanggang September na lang sila. Naka 50% off na lahat yung mga bikes nila. This one, there's one of these left kay Scuderia. Look for Leo or kay Luigi. It's in Pampanga, but maybe you can message them. Maybe they can bring it here for you. This is actually a very fun bike. It's like a classic na enduro. Yan. And a few mods there, here and there. Wala naman major problems yan ever since. It's about did about 12,000 na ata. Pero most of those kilometers na dun sa may dirt, tawid ilog, bato-bato, ganyan. Pero that's fun bike. Yun. So, yun, if you're wondering why I haven't been making videos, pero marami naman akong footage ng mga nakaraan. Medyo tamad ako mag-edit, as you can see naman dun sa mga previous na mga videos. Because I primarily made this vlog a few years ago to help out fellow owners na would buy the brand. Para alam mo yun, meron sila idea kung anong replacement na parts, how to fix stuff, yun. Hopefully I've helped a few guys. There's some guys I've met na they saw my vlog, tapos yun, they bought the bike. Hindi naman sila nagsisisi, I hope. Ayun, these things are quite easy to fix. Kahit na tatlo lang yung dealer, pwede mo naman pa-service kung malapit kayo and if you have time. I have a dealer in Pampanga, one here in QC near my house, and one in Las Piñas. Pero if you're far away, like you live in provinces, Quezon, Bataan, ganyan, Visayas, so there's one that's in Coron right now, kay Sir Paul. Yun. If you get the air-cooled one, it's easy to find parts almost anywhere. Tsaka madali lang siya gawin. Yun. I've also posted it na dun sa ibang vids, what you need to do. Yun. So, I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you guys are watching, ride safe. Nakalimutan pa pala ako. So kung mga RA guys kayo, you probably heard of SF. Meron na silang yung loading for the rear. We have those locally because we're testing it. Tapos we not only have the ones for the rear, but we also have the ones in front. I'll let you know. We've installed it in a few units for testing. Pero ayun. No need to go that far to get them. So, yun ulit. Ride safe. The weather is inviting. And see you around. And meron pala tayong Facebook group. And meron tayong community chat ng mga owners. If you guys are wondering kung may mga kaparehas ba kayong mga bumili niyan, yun, meron. Just let me know. Add you to the group. Bye!